Hi everyone, welcome back to the Shop channel where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video we're looking at a really practical feature in Odoo 19, how to add a QR code to your customer invoices. This small addition can make the payment process faster and more convenient, especially if your customer use mobile banking apps. Alright, let's jump into Odoo and set it up. First head over to the accounting module. Now go to Configuration, Settings. Inside the Customer Payment section, you'll see two options related to QR codes. Odoo separates these because online payment links and real banking QR codes work differently. The QR code link simply redirects the customer to their portal page, while a real payment QR code includes all the bank details, your IBAN, the amount, the reference, and can be scanned directly in a mobile banking app. Odoo keeps it as a separate option because it's an advanced feature used only in a few European countries, or in line with certain banking standards. For this video, we'll focus on the first option, QR code link on PDF. Once this is enabled, Odoo is ready to generate a QR link on your invoices. Now let's see how this works on an actual invoice. Go to Customers, Invoices, you can create a new invoice or open an existing one. Inside the Other Info tab, you'll find a field called Payment QR Code. This field determines which type of QR code Odoo will print on the invoice. If you leave it empty, Odoo automatically chooses the first available method based on your configuration. Or if a company uses a specific QR format, you can select it manually. This gives you full flexibility and lets you control which QR standard applies to each invoice. Once the invoice is ready, let's go ahead and send it to the customer. Let's send it by email and then confirm by clicking Send again. In the chatter, you'll see a preview of the invoice the customer receives. Now when the customer opens the email in their inbox and open the invoice PDF, they can either scan the QR code or click on it. Both actions take them straight to the online payment page in Odoo. Just keep in mind, this is not a banking QR standard. It's simply a short link that redirects the customer to the portal payment screen. From here, they can choose a payment provider like Stripe or PayPal and complete the payment. It's quick, convenient, and helps avoid typing errors during payment. And that's it. That's how you add a QR code to your invoices in Odoo 19. It's a small feature, but it makes the payment process so much smoother for your customers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.